Students, today's topic is speak well. अच्छी तरह से बात करो. You may have degrees and diplomas and highly qualified. You are a knowledgeable person. So you are unable to communicate with other person. That's a great weak point in your life. Maybe Hindi or any language, Spanish, English, Bengali or Gujarati. So that's a great minus point. Many people are highly qualified but unable to communicate with others, especially in public meeting and all. So this is to build up early. Your knowledge, your brain completely knowledge, filled with knowledge. But sometimes you are unable to express this knowledge to others. That is a great weak point. Many people are telling that, sir, I have so many ideas. I know how to talk, but I don't know how to talk in public places. I don't know how to talk with a new person. That is one of the minus point or drawback in our life. This is within you. Try to mingle with the educated people. Try to speak any subject. Listen to those who are speaking English or Hindi or any language. You try every day, mingle and contact with the educated people, talk different subjects, philosophical, science, technology. So many subjects are discussing and we can build up, speak. You can build up fluency as well as you can talk well. Otherwise, your knowledge is rusted. Your brain teems with a lot of ideas, suppressing the brain. But you can't open your mouth. You can't talk a single word to express with other person. That is a greatest minus point. Many people are in pain. And sir, I am unable to communicate my ideas with other person or with any stranger, any foreigner asking anything. Even he can't the proper address and lead to a proper place. Suppose a foreigner asks address how to go to international airport. Some people are unable to give the proper address because unable to communicate with any language, Hindi or English, because this is due to some emotional problem, anxiety or shyness or fear, something like that. That is, you have to understand, study, think well how I can't communicate with others. This is a minus point. Many people find out how you can relate to it. Mingle with the friends, talk any subject. When you go for evening walk or morning walk, when you are sitting in the evening hours, you try to talk with your friends any good subject so that within a few months you are able to speak well. So this you can eradicate. When you go to meet any VIPs, college principal or bank manager, they are highly qualified. Don't hesitate. You talk them something. Sir, I am so and so, I have account in your bank. Today I came to know more about housing loan, education loan. So that initial stage you could eradicate your fear. Next time you can speak well. This is the solution. What you fear, do it first, so that you can speak well. That is my opinion. There is no use of your ideas. You may be qualified. You can't give in public speech. Suppose you are going to become a leader or a minister. How you are unable to speak with a large gathering, thousands and thousands of people. That time you should be able to salute and talk to people fluently, any language. Okay? Try and try. You can win. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay?